Discover this meticulously renovated corner apartment, designed by one of Marbella's leading architects and interior designers. Every detail has been crafted with the finest and most noble materials, ensuring a luxurious living experience. This stunning apartment features 2 bedrooms, each styled like a 5-star hotel suite, and 2 elegant bathrooms. The spacious terrace offers a perfect spot for relaxation, while the latest home automation system provides unparalleled convenience. This property is truly exceptional. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to own a piece of Marbella's luxury living next to Hard Rock Puerto Banus. Contact MarBanus today to schedule a visit for this and many other beautiful and exclusive properties in Marbella and beyond.